Welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all winter face mask. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more such kind of videos. So guys, the first ingredient is masoor dal. Guys, masoor dal has high nutrients, minerals and vitamins. It is the best skin cleanser. It also helps in removing dirt and impurities from your skin. Guys, masoor dal has bleaching properties, so it makes the skin lighter and brighter, and it also helps to remove blackheads and acne. Okay, so guys, the second ingredient is curd. Guys, curd has anti-aging properties, so it acts as a natural anti-pigmentation agent, and it also helps in skin whitening and brightening. So these are the two ingredients which I'm using in this DIY. Okay, so guys, add 1 tablespoon of masoor dal. Then guys, add 2 tablespoons of curd, which is called dahi. Now guys, mix it well. Guys, it's ready. The consistency should be something like this. So guys, let's apply this face mask on the face. Guys, apply this face mask evenly on your face and neck. Guys, keep this face mask for around 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, मैंने मेरा फेस वॉश कर लिया है, आप लोग देख सकते हो. You can see my skin is looking much healthy and clean. So guys, आप लोग भी DIY ट्राई कीजिए. आपको कोई भी ड्राई स्किन का इश्यू नहीं होगा इस विंटर में. एंड गाइस, आपको ये DIY वंस इन एवरी वीक यूज़ करना है, तो भी आपको प्रॉपर रिजल्ट मिलेगा. एंड गाइस, आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो भी चाहिए उसके लिए आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है. मैं डेफिनेटली ट्राई करूँगी और वो वीडियो क्रिएट. It's for today. If you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more such kind of videos.